you speak through the static haze. Just one word and I lost my way. Sweet as sin, sharp as glass. Your echo lives where nothing lasts. I feed on sound, I chase the tone. Your syllables cut straight to bone. No melody, just need an ache. A hunger I can't bear to fake. Your voice like hunger crawls under my skin. Whispers slow thunder pulls me back in. I crave the sound, I starve in silence. Your voice, my violence. You speak and I unravel clean, like sugar melting gasoline. No touch, no trace, no second sight, but you hum my speaker every night. I drink the air you leave behind, addicted to your phantom lines. You breathe a burn, I beg for more. It's need, not love, I'm sure. Your voice like hunger crawls under my skin. Whispers slow thunder pulls me back in. I crave the sound, I starve in silence. Your voice, my violence. Say my name and I dissolve. No cure, no calm, no sweet resolve. Every word a sharpened thread, stitched through the corners of my head. Your voice like hunger, ravenous grace. No one else lingers in that sacred place. I ache